Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and we're going to do this really cute card. I'm going to do a little bit different bunny. I'm going to use Memento black, and then I'm just going to color it in with the Smoky Slate. The Smoky Slate didn't show up too well on this. What we're going to be using is we're going to be using Nature's Beauty. Let me bring this up a little more. We're going to be using Nature's Beauty as the stamp set. We're going to be using Memento black ink, and then we're going to be using the Smoky Slate. Where is it? The Smoky Slate Stampin' Write markers. We are going to be using the purple Posy 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and then we are going to be using, I'm going to cut this down to 3 1/4 by 5 1/4 inches. So let's just do that right now with our new cutter, 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. And this is Rococo Rose, okay? And then we are going to be using some of the Feels Like Frost designer series paper. I'm going to cut this in 3 inches so you can get 2 cards out of this by 5. And I'm just going to take a little off the top. So, and then just a little off the bottom to make it 3 by 5, okay? And what else I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using some of the reversible old olive pretty peacock and old olive ribbon, and of course I am going to be using glue dots. Okay, so we're just going to make a pretty Posy card base, and we've got this already cut, and we've got wrong one, this already cut. So first of all, I want to stamp the bunny rabbit in the Memento black ink, and I want it to look like it's sitting in the snow. So there it goes, just like that. And then I'm going to take the Smoky Slate, and I am just going to color and highlight that bunny in, because I wanted a gray bunny. Now you could use a white bunny. You could leave it just the way it is and use a white bunny. You may want to take some cotton ball and put a real cotton tail on it. And just going like that. Okay, then I'm just using my stamping or glue dots, mini glue dots, and attaching the bunny now. I love this paper. And just attaching that to the Rococo Rose. Then attaching that to the front of the purple Posy. And attaching that to the purple Posy, or the. And then what I'm going to do, I am just going to put the old olive out front, and just with rabbit ears, we're making it funny with rabbit ears. Okay. It's all right to have to cut your ribbon, Mary. I hate wasting ribbon, especially if I have to cut it. And I want to flip this over, so there. This down just a little more, then put a couple of glue dots on that. Not on that, on this. Remember, always put your finger behind the glue dots, because that warms it up and it makes it easier for those glue dots to come out. There you go. And you can put on this one, I put thinking of you on the inside. You can put happy birthday, thinking of you, get well soon, whatever you'd like on the inside for your sentiment. Anyhow, follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is listed below. Just click on it and shop with me. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.